again, it's pissing it down. I got wet socks, but I've got such a good office that I've got a sock cleaner here, cleaner and dryer. Check this shit out. One drying already. Up. And another one. There you go. And I promise you, in half an hour, we'll be dry. Alright. So, boys and girls, another day of it pissing it down with rain, fucking windy everywhere. Hello, Bob. Everyone said hello to Bob. And today's challenge is taking off the bonnet, because someone's gonna buy it. Ooh, god damn it. And then that's the ram air induction going again. So if you want to have big cojones on the road, this is what you're getting. By the way, about the cojones, this man has given up one of his balls for this car. Has given up one of his balls for this car, so it better be a decent one when we finish with it. Okay, taking off the drive shafts of this bad boy, proving to be a motherfucker. So we've undone them there, taken off this bolt thing, yeah? And then what else we need to do?
We need to remove the whole hub assembly.
Oh, this?
Yep. Get that out. Any bolts removed.
So this hub assembly needs to come off. Yeah, guys, if you got 2.8, our main expert, Pav Bollokoff here, straight from Moscow, yeah, told us that 2.8 brakes are better than those 1.8 brakes. So don't chuck them away, don't sell them, whack them on your 1.8. Alright. Man, fucking hell, look how much mold there is in that steering wheel. Fuck me. Yeah. So we need to take all the bolts off at the background here, boys and girls. Don't try to just yank it out with all of it being bolted on, like Pav just did. Okay, we're trying to take off the subframe and the diff and the prop shaft. We can't take it off at the moment. Can't lift the car, so we're gonna... So guys, this is how you undo differential. Just 2 bolts, and then I suggest you just kind of push it out from the front. Let's give it a try. Obviously, if you have the engine out, that is. Oh yeah. Next we'll take off the steering rack and this X-frame. So when taking the bumper off, remember there are clips here. So release them like this. You can't pull them, but you might break some, so it's better to release all the clips under here first. And kind of pull it forward on yourself. Make sure that none of these clips break. Not bad. Okay, dudes, I think the easiest way to take the prop shaft out, which sells pretty quick, and the differential, is undo the differential. Alright, now the rack is nearly off. Just need to undo it over there. Hey bros, what's happening here is me and fucking Racer Pav gonna need some, you basically follow this line. Oh, you could have, that's it. Fucking racer Pav. That's the power of Golf GTI for you motherfuckers. Oh shit. Well, anyway, we are in a hurry to get the fucking thing to remove the brake discs and the drive shafts because they're not coming off. They're seized like a very, very large cock in a very, very small ass. That's how badly they're seized. You know when those dogs fucking and they're like fucking like their asses get stuck together. That's what happened with our BMW, bitches. So we need to go and get a special tool. That's why we're in a hurry, motherfuckers. We're not breaking the speed limit. We're going about 30 miles an hour. So get those tools, maybe. Oh shit. That's where those cops fucking had that guy. Right, in a minute, man. We're gonna visit the Batty Polaks. Hopefully they're still there, greasing their tools up. Let's have a look. Should have brought some weed. He likes a bit. Oh yeah, he's there. He likes a bit of weed, this Polak. You're Fedor, like Fedor Emelianenko. Do you know who Fedor Emelianenko is? Yeah? He's good. Are you Russian as well? Да? Я тоже, молодец.
In the meantime, everyone thought I was a batty in a subway because I was chatting up Fedor Emelianenko, who has the same name as the greatest MMA fighter in the world, biatches.
You live and learn, my brothers and sisters. We were out racing, trying to find the tool to get the disc off, to get the shaft off. But we did not find the tool, but we found some knowledge. A Polak friend of ours told us that you need to release the handbrake and maybe fuck around with some handbrake shoes because they're the ones holding it. So, probably we say that now and this one's not gonna come off. No, not coming off.
It will do.
Yeah, motherfucker, yeah! That's right. See, sometimes knowledge is more important than the tools. Innit?
Fucking Pav.
But it is for that, isn't it?
It's a gear puller, but yeah, it should do the same thing. Technically.
We're trying to remove the disc, and then our Polish mate told us it was the shoes that are holding it.
You've got a mate that's a foreigner.
Yeah, imagine.
Yeah.
I hate them bastards. They come to my country, take all the jobs and everything.
Yeah.
Like leave people like me without a job.
I'm sure you'll be alright. Have you indulging in any projects at the moment to make money?
Oh yeah, I got a lot. Right, here's the 328 exhaust. So boys and girls, you have some money here. Cut it off here and there, and you can sell this for about 200 quid if you live in UK. Probably in Mother Russia even more. We're gonna have a decat, but you know, if you need it for MOT purposes, then save this bit. But we're gonna have all this stainless steel.
Hold on, bit of knowledge here. Even a decat should pass emissions on the MOT.
Really?
Yeah.
See, actually, yeah, because my I had DPF removed on the 7 Series, and that passed no problem.
Yep.
So keep it real, keep it safe.
So boys and girls, make sure you sell off your catalytic converters because they're worth some money. We actually got 360 quid for this one. So get on the grind, dudes. Get out the grinder and start cutting it.
Yeah, for the purpose of the video, we're doing a good job. Sorry, it's already filming, Richard.
It's already filming? Okay,
Yeah.
right.
Right, guys, so
Better
this
get your
is...
mugshot in then. Okay, here we go.
E36 Convertible. Top tip when putting on an LSD or Diff, you gotta put on the arms. Oh fuck, I need some light in here.
What the fuck is in the spring holder? Is that a football?
Yeah.
Basketball?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I tried to move it, tried to put basketball in there, and it was alright until it popped. Is it in here, yeah? Check this out, that's a new suspension, boys and girls. That's a fucking air ride.
Real air ride.
No, there's a brick in here as well.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Yeah, brick air ride. Should I take the brick out later?
So this side's fine. It's got arm in it and everything.
Yeah.
It's just the other side, isn't it?
Yeah, because you can't basically stick a bolt in there apparently.
Right. It's not necessary just yet. We do need springs in it though.
How are we gonna get the springs in it?
We are going to use muscle.
Really? God damn. Oh yeah, there's a basketball over there. So yeah, guys, we need to drop the subframe in order to put the arm back in now, I think, don't we?
Yep.
And the LSD, because of some bell end.
Not me.
No, not him. Okay, bitches, you're gonna struggle to get these bolts back in because you need to align it like there, yeah? This one's in, but now...
Down a bit.
Huh?
Bit of the front end. Yeah.
Okay, let's get both hands on it. Okay, boys and girls, this is how you align it all up. You need to get a jack so that it doesn't bend your disc cover bit, and then just basically line it all up. It's pain in the fucking ass. So there you go. 4:22, boys and girls, and it's dark like a motherfucker. And now we're gonna try and drop this. So see how the wheel's not straight? I don't know why that is, and Pavsta doesn't know why that is. Ooh, hold on, we need to first axle stand. Okay, mate.
I'm going to drop it down slowly, yeah? Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, go. Yeah. Oh yeah. I think it's alright. Oh. Bad boy, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Well done, Pastor, you're the G. Well, first let's see if it moves, but I think it will now. So dudes, shitload of tools and crap here.
Some geezer wanted to buy a prop shaft.
Prop shaft.
But I just realized we haven't taken it off. Oh.
Wait, but did we actually take it off?
What?
Off the black one.
The pop shot?
Yeah.
What does he need? Front or rear?
Oh shit, we didn't take it off.
Yeah, but what does he need? The front or the rear one?
I think everything.
What, the whole shot?
Yeah. Oops. Fuck it, tell him he can have it next weekend.
Fairly loose unless it's still bolted up.
Yeah, we haven't taken it off.
It's still bolted in. Give it a pull.
Well, it's connected to the fucking diff, innit? Yeah.
If you find out what side he wants, I'll check what I've got at home. I've got like 6 of them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, fuck it then. Just give him one of yours then. Cool, yeah.
I spent so much money on car parts that I had to do kebab delivery very quickly, but all these dickheads were getting in my way. I even tried drifting to get to kebab shop quicker, but I failed very, very miserably. look like after a hard day's work. This is what your hands are washing must look like. And yes, I'm sitting here shitting after a hard day's work. Then I saw me homie Clean and Bright. He used to be my neighbor. He is a top dude. His name is Grant. Yes, beginning with G, because he's a G. But that time he was too slow, so we had to blast him very quickly. I was in a crazy hurry because I wanted to have a pool and I did not have toilet paper, but all these idiots were in my way. So I was very quick. And the reason I wanted to have a pool so much was, of course, again, the government.
Okay, so I received this lovely letter today, even though I wrote to these fucking pricks that I don't have any money to pay them because I've been fucked by their government. They're still saying court summons, come to court and pay us 1,450 quid. So I wrote to them all this shit. I'm gonna read it out to you later. Not gonna bore you with it. You're gonna take a picture. I said, where the fuck am I gonna get it from, you bunch of cunts? Am I gonna pull it out of my ass? Or I'm gonna take it out of my kid's mouth? After you've been ignoring my letters? Now you fuckers are gonna get it. This is where these cunts live. These blood-sucking cunts. Gonna give this letter to them. The one I just wrote.
I'll be back.
I'm going back to Cali.
Oh yeah, and of course, if you want to be a G, please subscribe to Triple B. Aight? No.